If HandBrake is throwing an NVENC error, that usually means your Nvidia graphics card's dedicated video encoder has crashed, refused the job, or simply hit a limit. The good news is that this is often fixable, and in this video I'll show you the most effective steps to get it working again fast. We'll update your Nvidia drivers, turn off a setting that can silently break NVENC, and reduce the number of apps competing for your GPU. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about what this error really means. NVENC is Nvidia's hardware video encoding engine, and HandBrake uses it to speed up exports. When it fails, the cause is usually one of three things: outdated drivers, unsupported settings, or your GPU being overloaded by too many encodes at once. So the first thing you should always do is make sure your Nvidia drivers are fully up to date. To update them, go to the official Nvidia website or open the Nvidia app if you already have it installed. Look for the latest driver available for your specific graphics card. If you're on Windows, downloading directly from Nvidia is usually the safest option. Install the newest driver, then restart your computer so the changes fully take effect. This step alone fixes NVENC errors for a lot of people because older drivers can conflict with HandBrake's hardware encoding support. Once your drivers are updated, open HandBrake and go to the Settings area. On Windows, click Tools, then Preferences. On Mac, go to HandBrake, then Settings. From there, find the Video tab. Inside this section, look for the option that says Enable Hardware Accelerated Zero-Copy Video Filters. If that option is turned on, uncheck it. This feature can be very fast, but on some systems it creates instability with NVENC and causes encoding to fail. Turning it off forces HandBrake to use a more stable path through system memory instead of relying on that high-speed shortcut. After changing that setting, restart HandBrake completely. Don't just close the window and reopen the same session if you can avoid it. Shut the program down fully, reopen it, load your source file again, and try the encode one more time. In many cases, that simple change is enough to clear the error and let NVENC work normally again. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is how many GPU-heavy apps are running at the same time. Nvidia consumer cards like GeForce models can be limited when multiple encoding sessions are active. In practical terms, if you have OBS open, ShadowPlay running, a game recording in the background, or another video editor using the GPU, HandBrake may not be able to start its own hardware encode. The card may simply reject the new job because it has reached its session limit or run out of resources. So before you encode again, close any other video applications you don't need. That includes streaming tools, screen recorders, editing software, and anything else that may be using the GPU encoder. Then try HandBrake again with only the encode running. This is especially important if you're working on a GeForce card and trying to do multiple things at once because the limit can be lower than people expect. If you want the best chance of success, I also recommend keeping things as simple as possible while testing. Use a standard preset, avoid extra filters at first, and confirm the encode works before adding more advanced settings back in. That makes it much easier to pinpoint whether the issue was the driver, the zero-copy setting, or GPU resource contention. So to recap, if you see a HandBrake NVENC error, update your Nvidia drivers, disable zero-copy hardware accelerated filters in HandBrake settings, restart the app, and close any other apps that may be using your GPU encoder. Those three steps solve most NVENC issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment with your GPU model and HandBrake version, and I'll try to help you narrow it down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.